Pret met Afrikaans. Fun with Afrikaans. Please note for grade 1s, all Afrikaans vocabulary taught does not need to be written or read in grade 1. The learners must just know it orally. Ranggetalle, ordinal numbers. Ons gebruik ranggetalle wanneer ons 'n wedloop wen in atletiek of 'n resies jag of toetse skryf in die klas. We use ordinal numbers when someone wins a race in athletics, wins a race in cars, or writes tests in the classroom. Eerste, eerste, eerste. First, tweede, tweede, tweede. Second, derde, derde, derde. Third,